Guangdong Yajing Laser Intelligent Equipment Co. It was in Ningbai, founded by Mr. Liu Jiayun, a veteran, is a company that focuses on high-end industrial RUD production and sales of processing equipment as one of the important high-tech enterprises. August RDRE successfully listed on the Guangdong Equity Exchange. The company is located in Guangzhou, Guangdong Province, National-Level High-Tech Industrial Development Zone. Yushu Innovation Park, Guangzhou Science City, has an independent RUD center for laser application technology and a manufacturing base covering an area of about 4,000 square meters, more than 10 sets of various high-end industrial processing machines and testing instruments. Currently has more than 20 employees, more than 10 core technical staff, including technology research and development, manufacturing, project installation and commissioning, after-sales service, international sales, etc. It is a team with high efficiency, high level and strong development strength, and a team of technical elites with extensive practical experience. We offer complete solutions for laser processing equipment, including laser marking machine, precision laser cutting machine, laser welding machine, laser cleaning machine, CCD positioning precision marking equipment, intelligent industrial robots, etc. And for the enterprise professional customized non-standard assembly line automation marking solutions. Success does not lie in the mind. Code Clear Laser and the laser processing equipment industry. 13 years of dedicated and focused deep cultivation. This makes the various series of laser equipment and technology manufactured by Code Clear Laser highly praised and affirmed by domestic and foreign counterparts. Harding achieved a major goal of successfully exceeding $100 million in sales. RDRE another record year. Sales exceeded 100 million yuan. Code Clear Laser has been in Shanghai, Shandong, Jiangsu, Chongqing and other major regions to set up strategic locations. Established south and north zones to serve tens of thousands of domestic enterprises. Operating as a distributor and partner in the global trade. Now there are many countries have the Code Clear Laser distribution agents users. Products are sold in more than 20 countries around the world. Code Clear Laser has been awarded invention patents, utility model patents, more than 20 software copyrights, etc., and the EU CE certification. Enterprise obtained National High-Tech Enterprise. Guangzhou City, specialized special new to support the excellent plan to cultivate enterprises. Guangdong Province Contract Abiding and Trustworthy Enterprise, Guangzhou Gazelle Enterprise and other titles. Mr. Liu Jiayun, founder of Code Clear Laser, awarded the leading entrepreneurial talent of Guangzhou Development Zone. Continuous learning and self-enrichment is what the Code Clear Laser team. Maintain the source of continuous innovation and corporate vitality. Code Clear team in the work of fine and rigorous, courageous challenge. Collaborate with each other and push forward. Code Clear Laser after 13 years of storm baptism. The feather is growing towards a brighter future. Spread your wings and soar.